The cost to replace a house roof can vary widely depending on several factors, such as the size of the roof, the materials used, the complexity of the roof's design, and the location of the house. On average, the cost of a new roof can range from $5,000 to $20,000 or more. Here are some factors that can affect the cost of a roof replacement. Size of the roof. The larger the roof, the more materials and labor will be required, which will increase the cost. Materials used. The type of roofing materials used can greatly affect the cost of a roof replacement. Asphalt shingles are generally the most affordable option, while metal, tile, and slate roofs are more expensive. Complexity of the roof. A complex roof design with multiple angles, valleys, and skylights will take more time and skill to replace and therefore will cost more. Location of the house. The cost of labor and materials can vary depending on the location of the house. In general, roofing costs are higher in urban areas than in rural areas. Removal of old roof. If the old roof needs to be removed, the cost of the replacement will be higher. Add-ons. If you are adding on new skylights, vents, or other features to your roof, the cost will be higher. It's important to note that these are just estimates, and the actual cost of a roof replacement can vary widely depending on the specific factors of your project. It's always a good idea to get a few quotes from different contractors to get a better idea of the cost and to ensure that you're getting a fair price.